On this absolute value assignment, we're going to go over 3 together. That's really all you need just to be sure that you're accurate and you got everything down. So first of all, let's look at the first one. The absolute value lines accomplish 2 things. One, obviously, is that it's the absolute value of whatever is inside. The other is it works as a form of grouping. So when we go to solve these, we're first going to solve anything that is grouped together. So we'll start with the -2 plus 5 within the absolute value bars. -2 plus 5 is 3, so that gives us the absolute value of 3. Now I'll rewrite the equation with that part simplified. -13 plus the absolute value of 3, which is 3, minus 6. Put those all together. -13 plus 3 is -10. -10 minus 6 is -16. On to number 5. Notice in this first set of operations inside the absolute value symbols, you have not one but 2 different operations, 32 minus 95 and 95 plus 6. So as with order of operations, we'll go left to right. We'll start with 32 minus 95, and that gives us -63. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it at the top. -63 plus 6, and then I'll put the absolute value symbols around them because there's still an operation inside, so I keep them. So when I solve -65 plus 6, I end up with the absolute value of -57. And I'll write that at the very top. So now I can go ahead and rewrite my entire equation. The absolute value of -57 is, well, 57 plus the absolute value of -15 is 15 minus 4. Now I'll put them all together. I'm going to add 57 plus 15 over here because I got to carry, so that's 12. I end up with 72, and then I'll take away 4, and that gives me 68. Now let's go over number 8 for good measure. In between the absolute value bars, you have -14 minus 65. So that's what you'll do first. -14 minus 65 gives you the absolute value of -79. Now let's go ahead and write what we've got now. 17 plus the absolute value of -79, which is 79, minus 8 equals. So 17 plus 79, I'll add them up. 96 minus 8 gives me, gotta regroup, 88.